We usually do set their pack right here. Take the picture.
You guys want to sign it?
Yeah. A little pee-pee bump, Emily. You gotta rein it in. Oops. All right, we're here. Parks, how you feeling?
I'm ready to go.
All right, let's go to Canada. Let's go to Canada. Here we go. Tag it. Loosely planned. Tag it myself. Yeah, go ahead, you guys. Yeah, walk it. Just tag it real quick, you know. One down, 2,651 to go. Oh my gosh, we're like 2 miles in, and already our first rattlesnake encounter. Oh shite. Ah! He is. Oh my god. He's very mad. Don't get. First lunch on trail. Today we have this. How's it been today, Parks?
Well, it's been smooth, not too much elevation. The weather is pretty nice. Saw a rattlesnake and yeah, some shade right here on this rock.
Yep, it's been nice. This is our little afternoon fiesta location. Just a rock. The only place we can find shade. It's like 50 or 60 degrees. 50s, 60s, I don't know. But in the sun out here, it is pretty hot. Like you get pretty warm. So definitely trying to take care of our skin and make sure we don't fry ourselves out here. Already working on my hiker tan. About to eat dinner. And here's camp for the night. For our first meal on the trail, we have chicken. Wait, no, it's not chicken. Tikka masala with veggies. Pretty good. First morning on the trail. Slept so good. Definitely feeling sore. I don't know how many miles we'll do today, but we didn't quite make it to Lake Marina. We still got four or 5 miles to Lake Marina. We'll go to the malt shop there. Parks has been talking about a slushie for a while, so maybe he'll get lucky. And then we'll continue on. Usually by day 2, we're feeling pretty sore, so we try and take it easy. So we're just going to listen to our bodies today and see how long we can go. Woke up feeling well rested. Physically, I'm just super sore. Second day is always really hard because your body's just adjusting. Yesterday, mentally, I thought I was gonna feel all these emotions and just like a lot of, I don't know. It wasn't what I expected yesterday mentally. I felt like I was more intimidated by this daunting trail that we're hiking, and it was just constantly yesterday I was feeling this voice of doubt in the back of my mind, can you really do this? Can you really do this every day for 5 to 6 months? But today I woke up feeling much better, more hopeful, more confident, and just super happy to be here. So yeah, I just want to give a little update where I am. It's very pretty. It's cloudy today, which I am so grateful for.
I don't really care about Volkswagen, but go back to the 70s and 80s, I'm well, Volkswagen, of course, that's what I want. But modern day.
There's Emily walking into the gate. Canada is 2,640 miles away. We are so dang close.
Packed this out from the malt shop in Lake Marina. I'm very happy. I also got some other goodies. Peach margarita for Peach. And the best food in the world. Currently sitting under a bridge. I thought the desert was gonna be hot. It's freaking cold. It's freaking cold outside. Dinner's cooking. We got camp set up right here under this huge oak tree. We're happy. Tonight on the menu, whatever that is. Good morning. It is day 3. We made it to, oh gosh, mile 26 last night. We were gonna push it a few more miles, but weather started getting bad, so we decided to stop while we had some coverage under this huge oak tree. Got my morning coffee for this morning's commute. There's a lot of traffic right now. It's gonna take me forever to get to work.
We catch them? By month 2, I want to be catching fish with my teeth like a bear. If I'm not, then... Oh, butterfly! 500-mile section of the trail a few years ago, so that was my warm-up. And I was like...
Remember when I said the desert was cold? I lied big time. It's very hot today, and physically I've struggled throughout the day with just the heat and exposure and long water carries. It's been a rough day. Mentally, I feel great, but physically it's been tough, and the sun just like drains the energy straight out of your body. But we've got another 1.5 miles to our next water source, and then just a few more miles after that we should be in Mount Laguna, and I'm getting a milkshake, and the flies are so bad. So close. I can almost taste the cheeseburgers right now. Well, this is a low moment. You see that sign? We're banking on this, and they're not even open tomorrow either, so we can't even wake up, sleep in, and go get breakfast. This is like the first really defeating feeling I've had on the trail so far. But it's okay. There's gonna be plenty more opportunities, and I'm gonna eat my ramen tonight. What? Can someone explain this? In these divots, there's acorns, and it goes all the way up this giant tree. Literally all the way up. What the heck? We are at the Mount Laguna little post office slash convenience store. We got some Hot Pockets, donuts, and I got some coffee. It's good stuff. How's that 0-calorie pickle?
Really good.
Hi. Washed my hair in a bathroom sink this morning. How's your day going? So it is day 4. We are trying to get to Julian by tomorrow night, hopefully. We're pushing for an 18-mile day. My left Achilles is really sore. I think it was just because all day yesterday was a climb, and when I woke up this morning it was pretty swollen, but luckily today is almost all downhill, and so I'm hoping that will give my Achilles a little break, because it's definitely sore when I feel it when I go uphill, but when I go downhill, it's not as bad. Look how big this pine cone is. I need like a size comparison. Here's the pine cone. Here's my hat. So, everything's fine now. But a couple hours ago, I was not happy with Papa because he is in charge of our maps and basically overshot our one chance to get water for like the next 15-20 miles. And that water is so crucial, and we overshot it by 0.7 miles, and so that basically adds 1.5 miles to our day. So now we're not making the miles anymore that we had planned to, because we had to basically reroute and change our plans. And so things are better now, but lesson learned. Today was very humbling. Water is so scarce out here, and it's almost alarming, and it's just like, oh gosh, this is going to be really difficult to navigate water out in the desert. We're planning on like possibly up to 20 miles of no water right now, so it's intimidating. Parks, did you make a whoopsie today?
What does that mean?
Did you make a oopsie?
What does that mean? Oh. I was wondering what I could have done. Yeah, I walked past the water.
And?
I walked back 0.7 miles, and then realized we needed more water, so I ran back 0.7, then I ran back 0.7 with this backpack. Now I'm walking back 0.7.
He said, not only am I sorry, I'm going to make it all up to my wife by carrying her water back the 0.7 miles. And I'll let him. Give me a kiss so we can prove to our people that we aren't fighting. Look, we're still married. Look at this view. Alright, I'm all better now. I'm happy. I'm happy now. And we made it to 50 today. Ugh, why must you tease us? I would not want to drink that. I am so emotional because one, this view is amazing, and two, because I just like hobbled here. I'm in a lot of pain. My ankle and my knee really hurts. I'm definitely concerned, and I'm just trying to just not worry about it until I get a good night's rest and see how I feel in the morning. But I'm definitely a little worried. I'm just hurting a lot. So hopefully it's nothing and it's just rest and elevation. So we'll see. It's the morning of day 5. I always sleep well out here, I really do. And I wasn't in pain or anything. As soon as I got to camp, I laid down, and I don't feel any pain in my knee or my left Achilles when I lay down and I'm not moving. It's just when I start hiking where it's not necessarily painful. It's just like an extreme discomfort where every time I go downhill it feels like my knee is going to buckle, and every time I go uphill it feels like my Achilles is going to snap. So it's just like a lose-lose situation. I felt a little twinge yesterday, but it didn't really start until after I loaded up my pack with 6 liters of water, and then it was the weight of that and all the downhill that that was when I really started to feel it. I slept with my legs elevated last night. I'm not sure if it did anything, but I'm literally just going at a snail's pace right now, and just trying to be really mindful of how I step. I don't know if the knee pain was because I started to favor my left foot. I don't know, sometimes like when you have one ache, one pain, you start favoring either your left foot, your ankle, your knee, and then that causes another pain because you're favoring it. So I just don't know what's going on. I'm probably gonna have to take a 0 in Julian, get a knee brace, figure something out. I'm not happy. I've never had this type of pain before, even on the Colorado Trail after 500 miles. Like, I just have never dealt with this, and it's day 5 and I'm already dealing with this, so it's like extremely concerning. I'm trying not to get too worried, and it sucks because like this is by far the most beautiful part of the trail I've been on so far, but it's like hard to enjoy it fully when my mind's racing, like, oh my gosh, what if this doesn't get better and this only gets worse? But yeah, that's just where I'm at right now. I am fighting with all my might to stay out here. I mean, if I have to take a week off in Julian, I probably would, so I'm just like praying that things get better. Coordinating a dance so that we're more likely to get a hitch.
You got your wishes.
First hitch. And Tug is not happy.
What kind of happy?
A little bit happy.
Food. Okie afterbirth.
That's right. Stay in school, kids.
About to get our free pie from Mom. Oh, thank you, Mom. It's pie. Thank you. Rocking a new piece of gear. Ooh, I hope this helps. Living large. And the best part, oh, I could smell my shoes. Good Lord.
I can smell my shoes.
They even put a little bucket with laundry detergent so we could do our laundry in there. 3, 2, 1. Oh gosh. Park, seriously, if you feel your arm snapping, let go.
He was even like moving.
I try to have like a picture and have like white outside or anything like that.
Can you tell it's laundry day? But wait, there's more. Oh my gosh, and none of this is drying. We're gonna be in trouble. This is literally what I'm wearing because I have no clothes. I'm wearing my buff as a shirt. One last lunch before we go back on the trail.
Are these yours?
And a gentleman just offered us money.
I took all of his money.
It was very nice of him. But no, we're not homeless. Oh my gosh, they just gave us free little snacks and cider. Such a friendly little hiker town.
Help me make sure I
Yes.
turn if I need to turn. I've been
Thank
this way
you.
before, but like not a lot.
I've never been this way.
Back on the trail. And they were trail magic.
3 days.
What'd you get there?
Well, I got a Gatorade orange, naturally flavored with other natural flavors. Doesn't make sense, but I'm excited.
Well, the good news is my knee and ankle feel great. The bad news is I just peed my pants. Yeah. Almost 28 years old and I just peed my pants. Kind of, mostly. Couldn't get my pack off on time and I felt the urge. I kept ignoring it because I was like, no, it'll go away. And it didn't. I feel so ashamed. I'm just waiting for it to dry. I can't believe I'm sharing this with the world too. It's crazy how much the desert has changed in just a day. This is like a cactus lover's dream. It's so pretty.
And then I've done a good amount
Yeah, I've definitely been all around like some parts of the world.
That's some prime real estate. Wow, it's so pretty. Getting better. I can't stop recording. We are currently doing our first night hike. We have about 3 miles left and this is so incredible because we don't have to worry about the sun and we just watched the most beautiful sunset. So I'm a big fan already. Breakfast in bed. Cowboy camped.
Foot awakening, spiritual and physical.
People are amazing. 100 miles! Knee is feeling better. Ankles are getting there. I did get my first blister though today. Right where it was last time. And I am attacking them back with vengeance. We made it to Eagle Rock! Woo! This is actually crazy. We gotta get there. We came from all the way over there, up in those mountains, just this morning. Crazy! Wind has been very exhausting to deal with today. And it's just like when you're in the sun and it's not windy, it's hot. And then when it's windy, it's so cold, so it's just like sweating through these when it's hot, and then when it's cold, it's shivering through the sweat. So it's been like a great day full of accomplishments. I'm just like we made it into camp after Eagle Rock. My knee started acting back up again and pretty much spent the last 3 miles just crying. Parks ended up taking a lot of the weight out of my pack and put it into his and hiked the last 2 miles into camp. We hiked a total of 18 miles. And so tomorrow I think we're just going to take it easy and give some time for my feet and my knees to heal. Blisters were an issue today too, so hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit easier. We had a lot of high moments today, but just the pain management alone has been an extreme low. But hopefully next week will be better.